Awesome. So we are going to add to our vocab. So again, just a quick reminder, ratio, remember relationship between two things. Ratio. Nice. So what do you think our word is for today?
Ratio. Percent.
Percent. Okay. So let's do that. Okay, so our word is percent. Say percent in a deep voice. Percent. Say it to the ceiling. Percent. Say it to your toe. Percent. Say it like a little squeaky mouse. Okay, awesome. Now, all of us should be able to raise our hand because we've all heard of percent because we just discussed it, right? All of us are good there. Okay, so all of us know the word percent, or at least have heard of it. So in your table groups, I want you to do a heads together and come up with a prediction of the definition. Okay, I'm going to use number spoons to call on people, so everyone needs to be participating. It's going to be random. Okay, go ahead and discuss.
A number that. Can you please call on number 3?
Well, it's random. We'll see.
See, look. I can't find it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, how about central? Number 3. What was your prediction? What did you guys predict that the percent means? A part of a whole? Okay, nice. Okay, how about Lutz? Number 1.
Wait, you're drawing different stuff.
I was going to say
But you said part of a whole. You guys agree with that one? Okay, that's fine. Okay, how about Bates? Number 4.
a number between 100.
A number between 100? Okay, and I know that you wanted to share yours. Go ahead and share.
A number out of 100?
Wow.
Number out of 100. Did anyone have anything else they wanted to share? Yes. A fraction or decimal. Okay. So our definition we're going to use actually uses a lot of these words that you came up with. So a percent is a part per 100. Okay? So we're going to discuss that real quickly. Because remember I told you a percent is a ratio. So remember over here, we had 2 types of ratios that we learned. We had part to part and part to whole. Do you think a percent is a part to part or a part to whole? Someone raise their hand and give me some ideas. What do you think?
A part to whole?
Part whole? Part whole? Part to whole? Part to whole. Okay, so we're saying that this is a part to a whole. Now, what are the 2 ways we can write a ratio? Can someone share with me? Yes.
A colon.
We can do a colon. And what's the other way? A fraction.
Or you can do the word decimal.
A decimal. Okay. So we're going to deal with the fraction one. So if we do this as a fraction, According to our formula up here, what goes above the line? Is it the part or the whole?
The part.
Part goes above the line. And what goes underneath the line?
The whole.
The whole. So if we make this into a percent, okay, what is the whole for our percent? 100. So our whole is 100. And what's the part? Yes.
The percent.
The percent. Yes. You have just made the formula that we are going to use today to solve. This is our formula. We used a ratio and are comparing it to a percent. So a ratio is part to whole, and a percent is percent out of 100. So this is the formula we are going to use on our notes today. Okay? So on your notes where it says percent formula, write this down. We're going to talk more about it. Okay? So go ahead and do that. Now, before we get to our notes, we do need to have our call and response for percent, just like we did for ratio. So what I was thinking is, because it looks like this, can everyone put an arm out so you have like the bar? Okay? And remember, it's a part per 100. Okay? So part goes on top, right? And 100 goes on the bottom because it's the whole. So we're going to say percent, part per 100. Percent. Part per 100. Okay, here, let's try one more time. All together. Percent. Percent. Part per 100. Percent. Okay, let's say it in a whisper voice. Percent. Part per 100%. Let's say it runs really loud. Percent. Percent per 100.